Would your cameras actually give you usable footage tomorrow? Here are 5 of the most common commercial security camera installation mistakes and what each one does. Number 1. A home camera on a commercial building. Outside it meets weather, and whoever decides they'd rather it wasn't there. A commercial camera is built to resist both and to run continuously on power from the network cable. A consumer one isn't. Number 2. A lens pointed into direct sunlight. Aim a camera at the sun and the picture blows out. The frame washes to white. Whoever walked through the shot is gone. You don't get a face, you get a bright rectangle. Number 3. Leaving the default password. Passwords never changed, firmware never updated, no encryption on the camera traffic. That turns your security system into a way in. Cameras belong on their own network with password rules somebody enforces. Number 4. Cable runs that go too far. Cat 5e and Cat 6 stop at 100 meters. Past that, you get signal loss and drop frames, the camera that works some days and not others. Long runs need fiber or a powered extender. Number 5. No maintenance plan. Lenses collect dust. Firmware falls behind. Connections work loose. Nothing breaks. It just quietly gets worse. That's what a maintenance schedule is for. Camera, aim, password, cable, upkeep. Everyone is a fair question to put to your installer. Start with the site survey. It maps your coverage zones before anyone drills and prevents costly repositioning after. Ask for one before you accept a quote. Safe and Sound Security designs and installs commercial and government security systems nationwide, with 20,000 plus locations protected over 19 plus years.